Sa case na to, mas mababa naman yung exponent ng numerator. Kapag ganito po yung nangyari, ang a raised to n over a raised to m, magiging siyang equal to a fraction. So, it will be 1 over a raised to m minus n. So, to further visualize this theorem, let's have this example. 3 raised to 4 over 3 raised to 6. Notice na mas mataas yung exponent ng denominator kaysa sa numerator. So, we can simplify this by turning into fraction. So, 1 over 3 raised to 6 minus 4, which will be 1 over 3 raised to 2. Raised to 2 is equal to 9. So, 1 over 9. So, this is our final answer. Let's have another example. What if we have here a variable? So, x raised to 3 over x raised to 7. Mas mataas yung denominator or yung exponent ng denominator. So, magiging siyang 1 over x raised to 7 minus 3. So, which means that we have 1 over x raised to 4.